I'm going to pull down the fire alarm. Yay! I pulled down the fire alarm. Oh no, it's the principal.
Dark Ivory Bowser. How dare you pull down the fire alarm? That's it. You are so suspended for 28 weeks. Go home now while I call your parents. Hello. Dark Ivory Bowser's parents. Your son Dark Ivory Bowser pulled down the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 28 weeks. Can you ground him? Okay. Goodbye.
Dark Ivory Bowser. How dare you pull down the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 28 weeks. That's it. You are grounded for 18 days.
Go to your room right now.
Whoa.